I'd like to welcome you to the annual IStructE Scotland branch bridge building competition. Today this has been hosted for the first time at Glasgow Caledonian University, and it's a competition that's open to all of the Scottish universities who have either civil or structural engineering degree programmes. The aim of this competition is for students to design a bridge structure that will be tested for both its structural integrity, in other words how much load it can withstand, but also the overall cost of the project. It provides an opportunity for students to get together with teams from other universities and to test their theory and put it into practice in a model, safe environment. I'm with Anna, a recent graduate member of IStructE. Anna, could you explain your role with IStructE?
So my role within IStructE is I'm involved with a young members group, which is aimed at students and graduates, and we organise events that we think might be more interesting for students and graduates, for young members of institutions.
So Anna, could you explain from your perspective what the benefits of these events are going to be for student members of IStructE?
Well, first of all, they increase their knowledge. Like, for example, if they attend a site visit, they can see how things are actually done in real life and how everything fits together, which I think is something that quite often is missing from courses, and it's sometimes maybe hard to imagine how things fit together. I met some wonderful people through the institution, and then through this I was offered a job, which is just great. It just helps to enhance your CV.
You're probably aware that we've got 6 universities represented and with 14 teams. Now, out of that, we've got 16 different nationalities represented.
Having people from different countries working together is a great way of exchanging ideas and different ways of thinking. And it's just great for teamwork.
What we really need is people who have a blank sheet of paper, given a brief, and they can produce something that's going to be stable and fit for purpose. And this sort of competition gives them that experience before they're exposed to it out in the wide world. Excellent. When they get their hands on something that is actually making what in future will be full-size buildings, I don't think that they can do better, and we're pleased to sponsor it. We do quite a number of things at universities and in schools before to try and recruit people in. So this is core to what we do with the funds that we have at our disposal.
Once they've considered the shape, considered the loads, considered the materials, they then start calculations. Calculations, how much are the forces going to be? What's going to be in compression? What's going to be in tension? How are they going to ensure that it has sufficient stiffness? All of these structural elements they have to consider. Once they've completed their design, they then have to start manufacture. The design can be good, but the manufacture could be poor. Or the design could be poor but the manufacture good, or hopefully both will be good. Once they get it all assembled, get it in place, then they have to take it to a testing bay, and at the testing bay loads will be applied, and you will see which ones will survive the loading from this next stage.